If you are a real estate agent, team leader, or broker who feels like you're stuck and don't know where to go with your business, and you feel like you're working hard, but you're not seeing the results you want. If so, it's time for a big change. Today, I want to introduce you to an amazing partnership opportunity that can completely transform your real estate career. Imagine leaving behind the constant struggle of finding deals and those tiring, old-fashioned ways of getting leads. Picture a future where your business grows every year, where you close deals easily, attract great clients, and become the top expert in your area. With our proven blueprint and guidance, your dreams can become your reality. Don't let another day go by feeling frustrated or stuck. Watch this video, and let's find a clear path to success together. Now, before I dive into the reasons why so many agents and brokers are partnering with us, let me tell you a little about myself. My name is Syed Mohsin. I'm a real estate broker, team leader here in Michigan, and coach who runs several teams in the fastest growing brokerage in the world. Over the past 12 years, I've helped over 1,000 families buy, sell, and invest in real estate. In just the past 4 years, I've coached 10 brand new agents to earn six-figure commission in their very first year, and several other agents, team leaders, and brokers scale past multiple seven figures. But it wasn't always this way for me. I came to this country as an immigrant with my family 18 years ago when I was 17. At first, I wanted to be an automotive engineer. I went to school for it, but then dropped out during the recession in 2009. I felt lost and didn't know what my future held. I made some mistakes and got into things I shouldn't have, but then I found a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That book inspired me to start an online business where I had some success, but also a lot of failures. One of my investment projects almost got me into serious trouble, but I was lucky to avoid it. Then, in 2012, I bought my first real estate investment, a house that I bought for $12,000 and sold the next day for $25,000. It wasn't a huge amount of money, but it was a turning point in my life. I realized that real estate could be my way to a better future, but it wasn't easy. I got my real estate license, but I didn't find success right away. I didn't have many people to work with, and it was hard to convince buyers in a tough market. I joined a real estate office, but I didn't feel supported there. The atmosphere was very competitive, and I felt like everyone was out for themselves. I had to pay big fees to the brokerage, which made it tough to get started. In 2015, I got married, and my wife and I moved into a small apartment. Money was tight, and I had to find ways to make ends meet. I worked several jobs in real estate, learning about different parts of the business, like working with investors and managing properties. I even drove for Uber on weekends to make extra money. After getting fired from a property management job and having a car accident that left me in financial trouble, I decided to go all in on real estate sales. I joined a small brokerage that gave me some leads, and I learned how to turn those leads into clients. In my first year, I sold 35 homes and made about $60,000. I was determined to make this work, so I hired a real estate coach and doubled my sales the next year. Then, in 2018, I saw big changes coming in the real estate world, especially with online lead generation. I invested in learning more about this and built my own systems. In 2019, my wife and I had our first child, and I realized I needed a business that could grow without me having to be there all the time. I wanted more freedom, and I knew I needed a smarter way to run my business. I joined a new brokerage owned by a friend. I quickly became the top agent there, but I felt like I wasn't getting the partnership and support I wanted. So I decided to start my own team. In the first 10 months, my team sold 118 homes, and I realized the power of having a strong team and good systems. After a few more changes and a lot of thinking, I found the perfect place for me and my team, a partnership with eXp Realty. This is a cloud-based brokerage that uses the latest technology to help agents succeed. It's a place where agents can own part of the company and earn extra income by helping other agents grow. I love this model because it matched my vision of building something bigger than just myself. Now, I want to share with you 5 reasons why partnering with us is a great choice for agents and brokers like you. Reason 1, real estate business in a box. Imagine having a complete set of tools and systems that have already been tested and proven to work. You don't have to spend years figuring things out. You can start using these systems right away to grow your business. It's like having your own McDonald's franchise, but without the high cost. Reason 2, great support systems. Our brokerage provides a strong support system on the back end, so you don't have to worry about all the operational stuff. This allows you to focus on what really matters, growing your business and serving your clients. Reason 3, huge network. We are part of a network with over 90,000 agents worldwide. This means you can learn from the best, use their experience, and find success faster. If you've ever felt alone in this business, this network is your chance to be part of something bigger. Reason 4, help others and earn more. In our model, when you help other agents succeed, you also earn more. It's not about competing with others, it's about growing together. This is a big reason why so many agents love this partnership. Reason 5, leading technology. eXp Realty has been a leader in technology for over a decade. We are the only cloud-based brokerage already working in the metaverse with our platform, eXp World. This means we are ready for the future, and you can be too. Why this matters for you. If you're feeling stuck or unhappy with your current results, and if you think your broker or team leader isn't giving you new opportunities or supporting your growth, it's time to think about making a change. Real estate is a tough business, but with the right systems, support, and a great network, you can achieve amazing things. I've built a system that allowed my team to sell 118 homes in just 10 months, all while working remotely. And now, I want to help you do the same. If you're ready to grow your business and reach new heights, consider partnering with us. But I want to warn you, this opportunity is not for everyone. This is only for driven, motivated, and a select few individuals who want to make more so they can live more by giving more. So if that sounds like you, I would love to have a conversation. Thank you for listening. If you want to learn more about how we can help you, click the link below to book a call with me. I'll give you honest feedback about whether this partnership is right for you. Remember, anything is possible if you have the courage to go for it.